Hello dear kids, welcome back. Today we are going to do a new topic of our GK and this is sea animals. We have already learned about domestic animals, animals which live in farm. Then we have learned about wild animals which live in forest, jungle. Today we are going to learn about sea animals which live in water. So let me tell you about few animals, sea animals which are there in your book. This is dolphin. Dolphin is a very cute little fish and very friendly. It loves to be friends with man. This is whale. Whale is the largest sea animal. सबसे बड़ा sea animal, that is whale. It can eat up the small fishes. Then this is octopus. Octopus is a sea animal which has 8 arms. Can you see these arms? These round? These are arms of octopus. Octo means 8. So since this animal has 8 arms, so this is known as octopus. This is fish. Fish you are all familiar with. A small little golden fish, we usually call this fish. This is shark. Like whale, this is very big also, but it has very sharp teeth. It can tear and eat anything. Okay, this is shark. This is starfish. As you can see, it has the shape of a star. So this is known as starfish. This is seahorse. Seahorse, like it looks like a horse and it lives in sea, so it is known as a seahorse. This is crab. Crab is very dangerous and very poisonous. It has got these 2 sharp hands with which it can which can catches anything and eat up. This is crab. This is turtle. Turtle is like tortoise. Turtle mostly lives in water. Okay. This is seal. Seal is also another sea animal which lives in very cold area, where you can find penguin. You have done this bird penguin. Where there is snow, there you can find seal. This is jellyfish. Jellyfish, you all know jellyfish. Jelly is a sweet little like candy which you eat. This fish looks like a jelly, so this is known as jellyfish. This is sea urchin. This is known as sea urchin. It has got spikes on its body. Can you see these long spikes? These are very sharp and very dangerous. This is known as sea urchin. We should be very careful with these sea animals. These sea animals can be very dangerous. Okay, so now let us read these animals once more. Read it with me. This is dolphin. This is whale. This is octopus. This is fish. This is shark. This is starfish. This is seahorse. This is crab. This is turtle. This is seal. This is jellyfish. This is sea urchin. Okay, so learn these sea animals. Now it's question time. So what question are you going to do from this chapter? The question is, name the largest sea animal. Largest sea animal मैंने बताया ना, सबसे बड़ा animal. Name the largest sea animal. Whale. Whale is the largest sea animal. Name the largest sea animal. Whale. Okay. So now let's see this animals in the sea and learn them. Okay. So bye. Take care. Have a great time. And we'll meet next with a new topic. Till then, bye. Sea animals. Dolphin, whale, octopus, fish, shark, starfish, seahorse, crab, turtle, seal, jellyfish, sea urchin.